Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are filming a get ready with me on this look. So pretty, so natural and soft. Yeah, so this is just gonna be a cute get ready with me, and I'll probably make a part 2 video of me out in the city. I'm trying to pick an outfit because I left my black bag at my man's house. Why did I do that? Like, I need that bag right now. But anyways, we'll make do with what we got. I want to wear this dress that I got from Amazon. She's so pretty, but obviously it's a little bit big for me. So I'm trying to like maneuver a way to just cinch it in by the waist. But this is option number 1. Is option number 2. She's very bright, but today is like a nice sunny day. This top with this skirt, I think I'm pretty sure I've worn it in a video or it's on my TikTok. This or this skirt, and I've got this black Zara camisole thing that I've never worn. I maybe have this for like 5 years. So I could also wear this, but we're wearing it with the sandals and this necklace that I made. Let me show you. How pretty is she? Look, she goes like this. You know, then you do a little tie action. Okay, so I'm gonna do this a little bit differently today. I'm going to do my best to make my makeup look different. I'm going to attempt to put these individual lashes on, which it's not going to go over great for me, but we shall give it a go. SPF, tons of SPF on the skin at all times, y'all. This is going to make me look as white as a ghost. This is meant for fair skin or white people. Look at this. Gray. By now you have all seen my entire makeup routine. If you would like for me to do like a in-depth makeup tutorial, let me know in the comments down below, girls. But we are going for simple but impactful. As you can see, I've got a light today, but today we are carving out the brows because we have not found a brow lady. Like that. Like war paint, honey. This light is actually not helping me. Quick blend. I'm going to attempt to contour, to bronze my forehead, because I've never ever done this before. I'm scared. Guys, please don't judge this dusty ass makeup brush. Okay, I feel like she makes a slight difference, but it's cute because my forehead is always so like bare that I look a bit pretty. Oh, it's giving dimension. Okay, so I'm blending. I'm doing this contour, but I'm blending it like right there, because every single time I do this it just looks harsh and patchy and blotchy. So I'm mixing it like in with the cream, and to be honest, I think it makes a difference. Just a slight something. And I have a cream blush Hold on, this is so dark. I have a cream blush that I'm literally going to do, and I'm going to blend my under eyes last. Can you guys see a difference? I see like a slight difference. Hold on. This is the blush. So cute. It's like a stamp. And she's like pink, a little peachy, very subtle, but cute. Stamp. It makes so much of it. But I'm blending her. Oh. I'm just gonna blend her. Oh. Wish me luck, guys. I have no idea how this is gonna look. You guys, I'm loving how soft this looks. So pretty. This is like my new makeup routine for sure. Normally, I would leave my makeup like this, but I'm stepping outside of the box, so look. They almost got weird. Look at all of these beautiful colors. This is my Switch Beauty makeup palette, all the way from South Africa. As you can see, some of these colors have not been touched, but I've got some like glimmery, like shimmer ones that I want to put like on the inner corner of my eye. The goal is subtle but kind of dramatic a little bit. I'm trying not to be too subtle because I'm always subtle and it always just looks like this. You guys, I like snapped on this makeup look low-key. I'm taking some black eyeshadow and I'm like, I always start on the outer corner and then I like slowly build it in so it's not like too dramatic. This is what we're working with, and you know what? I might just be crazy, but the lip gloss without a lip liner is giving. It's just giving subtle, soft. I love it. Okay, y'all. Now I'm about to fight for my life to put these on. First of all, I watched a million tutorials on how to do this. Don't show the lash. So I guess it's just gonna go like that. God, this is already gonna be an epic fail. Just taking the bond, and I don't know. Why is she drenched like this? No. No. Guys, I've never seen it dripped out like this. Jesus. I am praying that this does not mess up my makeup. I'm scared. This is gonna be a horror show. Guys, I'm scared. I actually cannot do this on camera, but I'm just gonna turn it on here and do it because I'm scared. I look like I'm playing tennis. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, okay. Oh no. Stay on there. Stay on there. Don't be clean to the brush. I did it! This is gonna be the second attempt and I'm already holding it wrong. Hold on. Please let this one go on smoothly. Yeah, this is honestly the most scariest part. Like, how the TikTok girlies be doing this in like 2 seconds? 2 seconds. Okay, I'm one of those TikTok girlies.
A few moments later.
Oh. Oh my god, I'm done. Before I mess up this hard work, I'm done. Oh, oh Lord. Oh, oh. Maybe I shouldn't be in it. Oh my god, now my nose is running. Oh my god. Oh, help. Oh. You know what? I just need to calm down. Anyways, let's get into this hair, girl. I'm doing a hairstyle for the first time ever. I'm excited. I have a lot of pins, so might as well use them. First of all, this eye makeup in here is giving Arabian Nights. But look at these ends. It's the worst, okay? It's the worst. I tried that Chris Appleton Supernatural hair serum spray thing, and it did not work for me. Like, this is the serum spray, whatever, is still in my hair. I don't know. Someone said, like, well, the lady at Sephora said you need to put like a lot of it on your hair, and you need a blow dryer. And you know what, like, to tame my frizz, and if I need to apply heat on, it's literally pointless, because I just straighten my hair and I can just put like a normal cheap hairspray in and it will stay. It's where my hair is curly where it requires to be tamed. It needs to be tamed. So I'll not be buying that. And especially, like, you're telling me I need to buy this expensive product. Well, I mean, I don't think it's that expensive. It's okay, the price, but then I need to use half the bottle on my hair, because I have, number one, I have super long hair, and number two, you need to use a lot. So basically 2 bottles on my hairstyle. On the heat, you need to put heat on. Like, no, that is not the tea for me. I was like, let me put the outfit on to be cute, to like properly visualize the hair. And obviously my freaking deodorant roll-on made white marks like all over the top, and now I have to do serious damage control. But it's okay, it looks like it's coming out. I promise you, every time I film a video, it will always be chaotic. But anyways, let's get into parting the hair, girl. First of all, moisturize this hair because it is screaming for some moisture. Look on the ends. There we go. First of all, this is giving grown woman right now. I would so leave my hair open. Should I? It's so cute. I need to see this on with necklace. She is giving Sex in the City right now. So gorgeous. But the only thing is, like, I hate, like, I need this to be like yanked back. Number one. Number two, then it's gonna look like I might as well just tied it up. Like, I hate, like, it makes my hair look like weird. Does it? Or am I just tripping? I don't know. So remember the ponytail looks so much better, and I love how I said I've got all these hair clips. I can use them. I didn't use a single hair clip because she has no grip, no hole, no nothing. So I had to just use my good old hair ties and they came through. Oh, this is cute too, but I think to the side. She's kind of bare with no earrings, but so cute. I have to show you guys the bag. Ooh. It's giving date night. It's kind of giving Valentine's Day, but so cute. She is so cute. And I'm wearing it with my sandals, like my black platform sandals. So it looks like it's not too overdressed, you know. She's still cute. Also, I'm wearing the top more often because it's giving. Wish would hold up the boobs a bit more, but it's giving.